Zoom Phone with Bulk Texter Pro. To personalize messages at scale, users can upload a CSV either from their LMS system or they've created from scratch, containing contact information such as names and phone numbers. Each column in the file represents a unique data field. For example, first name or their coursework current grade, which Bulk Texter Pro uses to customize every outgoing message to help make communication personalized. Open Bulk Texter Pro. To get started, head to bulktexterpro.com, where you can download the Bulk Texter Pro browser extension. Bulk Texter Pro is available on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox, making it easy to integrate into existing workflows. Once it's installed, you can head to Bulk Texter Pro. Select Zoom as your texting platform. At this point, a secure authorization window appears, allowing the user to grant permission for Bulk Texter Pro to connect with Zoom. This authorization enables Bulk Texter Pro to communicate directly with Zoom Phone in order to send messages on the user's behalf. Within Zoom, you have the option to send individual or group text messages. If you have multiple phone numbers in your Zoom account, you can specify the one you want Bulk Texter Pro to send from. If you only have one number, you should leave this field blank. Craft and send your message. Using the CSV upload feature to bring in your contact list will personalize your fields. Bulk Texter Pro will automatically map those fields into your message template, so every recipient gets a customized text. Start by clicking Upload CSV. Locate the file you would like to use. From there, you can begin to craft your message. As soon as you begin to type, you can see the fields from your corresponding values in your CSV. You can click one of these in order to insert that field. CSV Upload gives users full control over personalization. You can choose to select only the fields that you need, and always use the preview feature to confirm your message appears exactly as intended before sending. When you're happy with the text of your message, an image can be attached to enhance and support the message being delivered. With the Recent button, users can quickly access previously sent messages and images, making it easy to reuse personal favorites and maintain consistent communication. Now it's time to send your message. Messages can be scheduled by choosing a date and time, making it easy to plan communication ahead of time. Additionally, users have the option to send messages immediately. Selecting Send Now automatically opens the Zoom SMS platform and begins delivering messages right away. At any point during the sending process, users can cancel the messages if adjustments need to be made. Additional tips and help. For additional help, visit bulktexterpro.com. Here you can explore the Zoom documentation to access step-by-step guidance and helpful resources. For additional support, reach out to the Bulk Texter Pro team at support@bulktexterpro.com. We're happy to help.